Welcome to episode 4. And now, this episode is my personal favorite because since the day when we started, that I got to know that we are off to create a podcast of IVF with the IVF specialist. So, I was curious about it, and Will got to know about this. So, it's a episode about the social stigma of infertility in India. So, infertility can carry a heavy social stigma in India, especially in India. So, how does this impact patient seeking IVF treatment?
See, do you have any idea कि infertility कितना common है? आपके near one में कोई?
नहीं, मेरे फैमिली में तो मतलब हुआ नहीं है क्योंकि जनरली मेरे फैमिली में सभी नेचुरल, तो आई डोंट थिंक इट इज
So, as per WHO statistics, infertility is the third most common disease, like after tumors and after heart disease. It is the infertility.
इट्स अ डिजीज. ओके.
Infertility, it could be a disease because of some medical conditions in some cases, not in everyone. As such, it is not a disease. It is a physical problem कि जो normal physiology body का होना चाहिए वो नहीं हो रहा है. That's why it is not covered in Mediclaim because it is not a disease.
Okay.
Fine. So it is the third most common disease as per the WHO statistics. And इसके लिए क्या क्या मतलब नेम्स दिए जाते हैं इन जॉर्डन और इन टर्की की उन लेडीज़ को जिनके बच्चे नहीं होते, लाइक हाफ मेल हाफ फीमेल, और डेड वुड दे आर सेइंग, लाइफ ट्रीज विद नो फ्रूट्स. Yeah. So obviously when someone starts doubting you, even your friends, your family starts doubting you when you are not having any kid, and when especially you are trying, when your family members starts doubting you, then the self doubt creates.
Okay.
And that is the major reason of diving into depression. When your body starts doubting you or you starts doubting your body, this is not a good sign.
So, what if the problem is in male fertility?
No, so the couple will start blaming, it's because of you, it's because of you.
Okay.
The marriage relationship also gets strained.
jeopardized.
Yes, absolutely. In many families, they will calculate ki whether it is okay to invest in IVF treatment or to invest in other person, like second marriage. They will think definitely about second marriage before taking IVF treatment, still in tier 2 cities, if you see.
Oh my God, this might be end up in bad way.
First there will be the doubt by your friends, then there will be self doubt, then couple will start arguing, it's your fault, it's your fault. And when after argument they will come to conclusion ki let's take IVF treatment, and then when they will discuss with family ki we are going ahead with the IVF treatment, then what will be put in the mind? They will feed ki it will not be your baby. तो सब कुछ पानी में ऐसा हो जाता है. So that should not be done. So see, many working women who are having fixed jobs, they are having good, they still have some sense of accomplishment because of their work. But the housewives facing this issue, living with with her in-laws, she has no option except social. She will start isolating herself from the social gatherings. And isolation जब एक बार आ गया तो depression आना ही आना है. So I think we are responsible for making them feel so and diving them into the depression.
That's beautiful. Okay, so let's just talk about people who are coming for IVF. When they're coming, and so for the first time, are they open about it? They are accepting about it. They should seek option of IVF, and they openly share it because sometimes it is very.
That depends. Every year, मैं अगर आपको बताऊंगी, हमारे पास फाइल्स आती हैं जिनको हमने like 2 years back, 3 years back, even 5 years back हमने IVF advice किया था. Now they are coming back when they have tried all forms of pathies like allopathy or the naturopathy. They have advised homeopathy or Ayurvedic treatment. When everything is failed, और उनकी फैमिली में कोई यंगर सिबलिंग, यंगर कजन उनका कोई डिलीवर हुआ होगा जिनकी शादी उनके बाद हुई है, दैट ट्रिगर देम कि नाउ जंप आउट एंड टेक द ट्रीटमेंट.
ओके, शर्मा जी का बेटा हो गया तो मतलब अब तो करना ही पड़ेगा. ओके.
सेकंड थिंग कि फर्स्ट टाइम जब व्हेन वी टेल कि नाउ योर केस इज स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड फॉर IVF, दे डोंट जनरली एक्सेप्ट इट. दे विल टेक सेकंड ओपिनियन, they will take third opinion, they will go on the social platforms like YouTube, they will search about it, then slowly they accept now कि they need IVF.
Okay, so this challenging environment we just talked, so how do we support them to provide healthy and essential environment?
Yeah, I think the foremost is the give them the privacy. Couple needs privacy. Don't pass judgmental comments. Don't judge them. Ki why they are not having kid, why are not they seeking the medical help. Just give them privacy. Let them take their decision, because this IVF decision also needs financial planning. They needs work life balance, because this treatment needs minimum 4 to 5 up to 6 visits also. So it is very difficult every time to take the leave from your office saying ki I am going for what treatment. So just give them privacy, let them plan their cycle, let them talk to their family. The family members should be supportive, whether financially or emotionally. Be a good listener. That's it. They will take the decision today or tomorrow.
So you just allow them to take their time and be rational about it, that this is the thing and this is the option. So कभी कभार bold नहीं हो जाता?
They will go to the social media, they will go to YouTube, they will search and they will find it. Ki yes, we need it.
So internet is also helping them. Okay.
And now the couples are educated enough, because and majority of times it is because of the lifestyle they are following, like alcohol, drinking, smoking.
And also people who are getting married in later age years.
Yes, so that is there. And you can go for the egg freezing also, or the sperm freezing, if you are not planning for IVF treatment. And right now,
For example, if person is getting married into 30.
see, if you are married since 24, you have not planned your child till 30 or 32. At the age of 32, when you started planning, it's already you are 34. You are, because you are trying naturally since last 2 years, and now you visited the doctor and the doctor told to go for IVF at the age of 34. Now you are at the peak of career also, but though you are trying naturally, but now you are realizing, when I have to take IVF treatment, then I can postpone it for next 3 to 4 years also, because otherwise anyhow we are not going for natural pregnancy. जब 4 साल बाद IVF करवाना ही है तो 4 साल बाद करवा लेंगे. तो let freeze our embryos.
Okay.
We will get them implanted when we are free from our career. So IVF that gives the flexibility of implantation.
Yes.
Just freeze your embryos.
Okay, this is like something which I got to know for the first time. Okay, so that's it for this episode, and I hope you got beautiful and insightful knowledge about this social stigma. So let's just move ahead with this similar kind of topic in the next episode too. Thank you.